Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I know it's been a while, but I'm back at work, unfortunately, but I'm here. Today I wanted to come on and share a fall tag that I created for a um, group on Facebook. I'm in a swap and yeah, so let me share what I created. Um, so Here is my tag. It's a 3.5 by 7 tag. That was the measurements on or in the group. And I covered it with some paper that I already had. I think I bought some paper packs, of the same pattern of these pumpkins and also in the back. So that's the paper from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I layered some burlap doily in the background, I think even on the bottom here. And then I layered a piece of lace to that layer. And then I pop dot this big pumpkin from Dollar Tree. I have tons of these. I want to use them up. So I painted them an orange color. It's the paint from Target. I have in my stash forever. And then I kind of rubbed on some metallic paint on the ends of the pumpkin. I layered some ripped paper, some vintage paper in the background, and I distressed it with some walnut stain and vintage photo. And then I layered another piece of lace. I just love this lace. It's so pretty. And then I made a ribbon bow. It's a 2-finger ribbon bow. I've learned for several years now. I can't even remember if I know the person I learned it from. And then I have some a twine bow in the background here. I use some stickers that says "so" because I'm going to show you what that goes with. And I used a Martha Stewart, I think it's like a twig punch, on the ends here. And then these are spellbinders. Do I have that? Give me a second. I think I just have it right now. It's a spellbinder set called Autumn Leaves. And these are I think I got this at Hobby Lobby, but I don't know. They don't have it 90% off. It's still like 20% off or something like that. It's not great. So I was going to buy all these dies because I thought they were 90% because I think I saw somebody. So when I went there, I think it was about several weeks ago. I haven't gone back since, and for that reason. And they're not marked down, so I don't know. I don't get it. So anyway, here's a Martha Stewart punch. I used a light blue color to go with the pumpkins in the background. And and what else did I do? Oh, and this is a wood piece. I think this is definitely from Target. And it says grateful, so it means so grateful. And then in the back here is a acorn that I distressed. So I really love how this tag turned out. It's dimensional, it's chunky. I just love how it turned out. It's not, the kind that I normally create, but I wanted to do something. Oh, and this sunflower is from Hobby Lobby as well, I believe. It's a felt sunflower. And then on the back, I have a little pocket. Now, I bought this this die set, and it's a KS Craft. It was on Amazon, so I probably paid way too much for it, but I wanted it, and because I saw Angie B make these cameras, so in that set, it had a pocket, a really tall pocket, and then here's my information, and I made a little tag, and I added a Martha Stewart punch and a button and this stretchy lace, and then more leaves on the bottom here, and I distressed the pocket with some vintage photo and walnut stain. So I really, and this is my information. I just love how that turned out. It's so pretty. So this is my tag for my swap. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.